Welcome to Tutor Online. New Syllabus Mathematics Book 1 7th edition, Chapter 1, Primes, Highest Common Factor and Lowest Common Multiple, Exercise 1B, Question number 5 to 6, Intermediate Level. Question number 5. The numbers 176 and 342, written as the products of their prime factors, are 176 equals 2 exponent 4 multiply by 11 and 341 equals 2 multiply by 3 exponent 2 multiply by 19. Hence, find the smallest whole number that is divisible by both 176 and 342. In order to find the smallest whole number that is divisible by both of the given numbers, we have to calculate lowest common multiple of both numbers. Since in this problem prime factorization is already done, and we have factors of 176 and 342 in index notation form, so just write them in product form, and calculate their lowest common multiple. Factors of 176 are 2, 2, 2, 2, and 11. And factors of 342 are 2, 3, 3, and 19. Common factor of 176 and 342 is 2. And the factors that are not common are 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 11, and 19. For LCM, write both common and not common factors in product form, and then multiply them as shown. Therefore, the smallest whole number that is divisible by both 176 and 342 is 30,096. Question number 6. Find the smallest value of n such that the LCM of n and 15 is 45. In this problem we have given that the LCM of n and 15 is 45, and we have to calculate the value of n, such that the LCM of n and 15 is 45. Therefore, we first have to calculate factors of their LCM that is 45, to do so we will use prime factorization method as shown. So, the factors of 45 are 3, 3, and 5. Now we calculate all possible different numbers that can be formed by the factors of 45 as shown. Now we have 4 numbers, that are 3, 5, 9, and 15. We will calculate LCM of each of these number with 15, that is the number given in problem, and check which combination has LCM equal to 45. Since 3 and 5 are prime numbers, so they both have exactly 2 factors, 1 in itself, while the factors of 9 are 3 and 3, and factors of 15 are 3 and 5. Now we check the LCM of 15 with rest of the numbers that are 3, 5, and 9, and see which pair has LCM equal to 45. Since the LCM of 3 and 15 is 15, that is not equal to 45. Therefore, n is not equal to 3. The LCM of 5 and 15 is also 15. That is not equal to 45. Therefore, n is not equal to 5. But, the LCM of 9 and 15 is 45. That is equal to 45, that is the LCM of n and 15 as given in the problem. Therefore, n is equal to 9. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe our channel by clicking the button below, also press bell icon in order to get notifications of our future videos.